That's why I got you all these animal clothes.
Oh, let's see what's in this one. I looked at this one already, and it's like so pretty. Do you think you like it?
What is on it?
A turtle. I'm wearing it, but no hands. Let's see what's in this cute kitty. I wonder if Hugh's there. Let's see. Oh, don't look. Is there anything at the back? Is it blank? Yes, but now let's see. It's so cute. Dun, 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 dun. Which one do you like the most? Like this one or that one? Which one? Say it in the comments.
Say it in the comments.
I like this one the most.
Okay. She said say it in the comments. Gonna open Kai's one for him too? No, because
Messi and Ronaldo.
no, you know Messi and Ronaldo.
Let's see this one first. Messi and Ronaldo.
That's for Kai.
Okay, Messi and Ronaldo. Do you like Messi or Ronaldo?
That one is cute.
Cute.
It reminds me of Jamaica. The coconut trees, the palm trees, and the football. So which one is Messi and which one is Ronaldo?
Well, Ronaldo's a boy, right?
Both of them are boys.
Well, okay. So, is Ronaldo bigger than Messi?
I think Messi is older.
Well, this is Messi. And that is Ronaldo. Is he silly or is Ronaldo silly?
I think Ronaldo is silly.
So
I don't really know them. We'd have to ask Daddy.
this is Ronaldo and this is Messi.
Which one you prefer?
None. If you're a girl, you should not look at this one. Oh gosh. 3, 2, 1. Look at this! Can you believe it? If you're a girl, you might love this because I do. I love it. Love it ever than before because I love animals. I love animals. Even bears, even glittery bears. Only if they're babies. Roar! They don't even exist anymore.
What doesn't exist?
What? Dinosaurs? Their face sucker. Let's see the whole thing when I open it. Well,
Kai's gonna like that.
and this is Messi, and that is Ronaldo.
More footballers.
And why did you choose this one? Even dinosaurs don't exist anymore.
Because Kai likes to play with dinosaur toys.
Let me just take a look. What do you think this will look like? It's one of the cats, like that one. But what do you think this will look like? It's one of the cats like this one. What do you think this one look like? It has a cat, but it doesn't look the same. And it might be even cuter. 3, 2, 1, reveal! How cute is it? If it's very cute, put like 10 hearts in the comments. If you don't like it, just nothing. I was about to put it here. Why will I ever put it there? Ooh, this might be real Messi and Ronaldo.
I didn't realize everything that I bought for Kai was football. I didn't realize.
I'm like, you were really looking. Were you looking at stuff you were getting? Be real, Messi and Ronaldo. If you're a boy watching this and you like Messi and Ronaldo, you might like this one because I think it's real Messi and Ronaldo. We're just a famous football player. 3, 2, 1. How do you like it? If you like it, put the word football inside the comments and like a heart. Or just football. This is for my brother. Let's see, what's in this. If you like animals. I like animals.
That one is yours, not Kyle.
Huh?
That one is actually yours, even though it's blue.
If you like animals, you should like this shirt. And you should make the earth a better place because animals can't live without earth. And animals are the best. They barely make us breathe. Like the plants give the animals oxygen, and like the animal gives something back to the plant. I don't know what it is. But look at it. Okay. Oh.
It's have a lot of animals. Which animal on that is your favorite? Hold it up again.
Well, my favorite, I guess, is the tiger or the jaguar, the dolphin, and if that's a jellyfish, I like it. If the octopus, I'm kind of scared of them.
Did I get 2 of those?
I don't know. Maybe they're oh yeah, they're different. This one's lines and this one's like a tie dye.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You have good eyes, Keleisi.
I ate carrots. When they do this plastic bag away from babies and children. I'm a kid.
Then why do you have it?
Is this a skirt?
Yep.
Pretty skirt.
That's for the spring when it's get warm.
Rainbows fill up here.
I think this is going to have to be a video by itself and not in the vlog because it's so long. I call this Keleisi's unboxing.
Oh, tie-dye.
It's pretty. I prefer it more than the stripe.
Okay, is this a dress?
You're not happy about that one? You don't like that one, Keleisi.
And that's all we have. Yeah. So we got this pink skirt. And we got this tie-dye skirt. And we got this striped skirt. And will you prefer more? Because I prefer this. Especially an animal skirt. And we got Earth Day. About animals and gravity and the earth. Especially the earth. Okay, we got Earth Day. And we got this cute kitten. And we got this kitten. Cuter. Do you think it's cuter than that? Because I think it's cuter than this. Very cute. Cute. I like animals. And I got this. The turtle thing. And I got the one from the start. I said, which one do you like more? I said it at the start. I like this one. Okay, now let's reveal my pretty clothes. Messi and Ronaldo.
It's all Messi and Ronaldo.
Here's a Messi and Ronaldo. And then here's Messi and Ronaldo. It's not real Messi and Ronaldo, just make it up. And here's Messi and Ronaldo
in Jamaica.
My hands are hurting.
Your hands are hurting. This is the last one.
And here is Messi and Ronaldo. Just kidding. There's no people, but it's like separate soccer. So it's like Messi and Ronaldo because there's no players. Let me just like take this one from the end here. And like put this. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome.
Bye.